Hello, my name is David Kusuma. I currently serve as chair of the Injection Molding Division of the Society of Plastics Engineers. I'm really excited to introduce this new design and this new plastics parts competition, which we are calling the Injection Molding Impact Performance Awards. I was also previously Vice President of Product Development and R&D at Tupperware Brands Worldwide, and that was actually for 20 years. So I do know a thing or two about injection molding. As some of you might know, there are many well-recognized, both domestic as well as international design awards for products which are developed and which are launched around the world. But I would say what is missing is an awards program which recognizes the best innovations coming out of the plastics industry, and really more specifically, the injection molding segment. Our mission, if you don't know, in the IMD, the Injection Molding Division, is to promote the scientific and engineering knowledge of injection molding. And I really can't think of anything we can do better than highlighting new innovations in injection molding through this competition. Over the years, I would say there has been amazing technology development and new thinking that has been introduced by leading companies in the injection molding space. Technologies such as thin wall molding, gas assist, twin shot, and multi-material molding, even pulse cooling, or parts integration through encapsulation, and many, many medical advancements, and many others. So we need to highlight and we need to recognize these inventions so that the world begins to recognize the contribution to human benefits, which the world has gained due to injection molding. We are timing this competition really to align with the ANTEC, which is SPE's annual technical conference. And the timing, in my opinion, is very important. And that's because to maximize the recognition of the honorees, basically the awarded projects, the results should be announced and it should be celebrated at a major event. And the ANTEC, we all know that it's the flagship event with the largest in-person gathering for the SPE, and I would say really for the plastics industry in general. Just about all of the major plastics brands are represented at ANTEC, along with industry experts, including executives, including processors, and even academia. With this year's initiative, which was jointly developed, by the way, by the SPE and the IMD, the Injection Molding Division, it's the first of what we hope will develop into an annual event where both plastics professionals and university students will look forward to participating, and that's due to the high recognition and the wide publicity and promotion which will follow for the winners. Our ambition and what we and SPE envision for this event is really to become the premier, the highest recognition for injection molding innovation in the world. The competition is really open to anyone connected to the plastics industry and who wants to be recognized for innovative injection molding technology. So this includes OEMs, it includes product developers, people who manufacture products which use at least some injection molded parts. Also plastics processors and mold makers who have developed unique molding techniques, even material scientists who have developed new materials for specialized injection molding applications. Finally, we shouldn't forget the students. Many students in universities are working on new ideas, new applications, and new technologies for plastics through injection molding. So they're all invited to participate and make their best entry. For me, it will be exciting to see the variety of competition entries from really all different industry applications. I'm especially interested to observe how our blue ribbon jury of well-known plastics industry experts, how they interact with the entries, and really the details that they will use to deliberate and to select the final entries, the award winners. One of the most exciting prospects, I think, especially for the competition winners, and that's beyond earning the winning trophy, is really the fame, the bragging rights, for being among the best and the most recognized in the injection molding plastics industry. And that'll come from all of the publicity and promotional activities, which is really attached to this competition. The submission process is designed to be really as simple as possible, and it's through the SPE website. A series of questions will need to be answered by the submission team, which describes in detail the innovation and really why the submitted part is worthy of an award. The judging will go through what I would call two-stage process. The first one by the jury will be a virtual process to look at all of the entries and really to pare down the number of entries into a list of finalists. The second judging will be by the jury on site at Antec, which will be in the presence of the actual molded parts to allow them to touch, to feel, and to see the innovations in person. And also at the second judging, the jury will issue their final awards. So the jury is comprised of plastics industry legends. They'll be looking for groundbreaking ideas, next level materials, game-changing processes, new technologies, sustainability and real-world impact, and also for designs which they feel improve the quality of life for the users who will benefit the most from them.